Most people get this wrong. They assume NobleCred is just another payday loan or buy now pay later service. The surprising truth in 2026 is that NobleCred has become a comprehensive financial platform offering fast wage access, flexible installments, and tools to help manage your money efficiently. Here's how it works. NobleCred allows users to access part of their earned wages before payday, often within hours. This can help cover emergencies, unexpected bills, or urgent expenses without relying on high-interest credit cards. Certain purchases can also be split into smaller payments, making it easier to manage your monthly budget. The app is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate. You can track advances, see upcoming repayments, and analyze spending habits in real time. Push notifications help ensure payments are made on time, which is critical for avoiding fees and maintaining healthy financial habits. The downside, overusing NobleCred can be costly. Frequent advances or missed payments can quickly accumulate fees, so its best use is a temporary financial solution rather than a permanent one. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only take advances or installment payments you can realistically repay. 2. Keep notifications active for repayment alerts. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce dependence on the app. Who benefits most? People with steady incomes who occasionally need short-term cash or want help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or weak repayment habits may find fees outweigh the convenience. In conclusion, NobleCred in 2026 is a practical, flexible financial tool, but only if used responsibly. Track spending, plan repayments, and treat it as a short-term aid. Subscribe for honest app reviews and actionable money tips to stay in control of your finances.